Hello and welcome. In this video, we will learn how to create natural colors by using complementary colors. Acrylic straight out from the tube are typically bright and vibrant. To achieve natural colors, you need to mix opposite on the color wheel. Here, blue complementary color is orange, red complementary color is green, and yellow complementary color is violet. I made boxes like this on my acrylic sheet. First, we will start with blue. I am applying cobalt blue straight from the tube, nice, bright and vibrant. Opposite on the wheel is orange. So I will create orange first by mixing bit cadmium red to yellow. To create natural version now, I will add touch of orange to blue. This creates more natural blue. You can see the difference when I lay them next to each other here. The same thing is true for any color on the wheel. Mixing touch of opposite color will mute it down and create a more natural earthy version. This is more natural version. We can use this for painting seascape. For the next box, I am taking cadmium red straight from the tube. Just look at how bold and intense it is. The opposite of red on the color wheel is green. So to create a natural muted version of red, I will first quickly mix a simple green by combining yellow and touch of blue. Now I will add just a tiny bit of this green into my red. See how instantly the color softens? This creates a beautiful earthy red, something like a brick. When I place both versions side by side, you can clearly see the bright red versus with warm natural muted red. This toned down red is perfect for skin tones, shadows in flowers, or earthy landscapes. Here I am applying lemon yellow straight from the tube. It's very bright, almost glowing. The complementary color of yellow is violet. So I'll quickly mix a violet by combining red and blue. Now I will add tiny touch of violet into my yellow. Be very careful here because violet is very strong and yellow is delicate. With just a small amount you will notice a yellow becomes softer, more golden, more natural. This muted yellow looks amazing for sunsets, fields, sand or natural highlights. When placed next to the pure yellow, the contrast is very obvious. Now let's look at green. Green straight from the tube is usually very bright and artificial looking unless we mute it. The opposite of green is red. I am adding touch of red into green. Immediately the green turns deeper, more olive-like and more realistic. This is exactly the kind of green you see in trees, forests, bushes and nature scenes. Placing the bright green next to this softened olive tone makes the change very visible. Let's finally work with orange. Orange is a warm, glowing color but can sometimes look too strong in a painting. This opposite of orange on the color wheel is blue, so I'll add tiny bit of cobalt blue into my orange. Right away the orange becomes richer, deeper and more earthy, almost like a burnt sienna tone depending on how much blue you add. This natural orange works beautiful for autumn leaves, tree trunks, soil and sunset clouds. When you mix any color with its opposite on the color wheel, you tone it down and create beautiful natural shades. These muted colors make your paintings look more realistic, balanced and professional. I hope you enjoyed exploring all these beautiful natural colors. Subscribe for more acrylic tutorials and join my 7-day painting course, link in my bio.